take a walk with me, spend a day with Joseph, slip on my shoes, sit back and start coasting. Not much going on, but there's always a laugh. Every day's a different day.
Hey, hello. What's up, everybody? It's been a while. It's been snowy a lot recently, and I just haven't had the nerves to come out to the skate park and film a video. But I'm back, and today, nothing really special. We're just kind of riding around. I mean, the skate park's super empty. There's not a person here. It's awesome. So I'm gonna go practice some street sections, maybe ride the bowl a little bit, and yeah, we got the GoPro today. Hopefully I finally worked out the kinks, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we got this cool little section right here where the box way over there, I'm gonna feeble, come down manual into this little coping right here, come up to the box 270, and then probably just tabletop a little coping right there. So little line, start warming up here, and yeah. Oh, I missed the down. Woo, foot down. That doesn't count. Beautiful, other than the 270 and the manual right there. But other than that, wow, I cannot 270. Ooh, go up and downer. So I still think that the GoPro just looks bad, and I don't really know what to do about it. Please give me some tips in the comments. So feeble, I should add an ice pick right there on the rail, but and this isn't part of the line. I just like this up and over. And an ice pick. A nice fakey ride out right here. Oh yeah. So next line I want to do is, you see that volcano looking thing right over there? I want to disaster that, come up manual to a tire tap 180 on the curb there, throwing some other things left and right. Now I feel like this line would look really cool if I had a tripod with me, but I don't. So it's gonna be GoPro again. I really hope this GoPro footage looks decent, because I'm not trying to scrap another video for like the 5th time in a row. All right, so disaster, tire bonk 180, throwing a manual in the middle. Whatever else I feel like doing, I'll do. Woo! All right, balling. Ooh, oh, we rolled in way more aggressively. Holy! Attempt number 3. Nice and slow, nice and smooth. Whew! I'm a feeble disaster. I guess I'll just feeble. There's a wall right over there. I'm gonna go do a wall ride and then get big air 180 on the weird roly-poly thingy. I don't know names for any obstacles on skate parks. I'm not that cool. Ah! I was not expecting to mess that one up. Oh, my manuals are not it today. So I think what I should do next, because I need to work on them a little bit, you see the coping right there? For some reason, I'll disaster anything that does not have a coping. So if I just work on small little copings like that, then I'll probably end up disastering the whole bowl. But for now, I'm through a crap ton of disasters. So like tall stuff like this, I got no problem. But for some reason, the minute I see a coping, I get scared. That's small, that doesn't count. That was way too easy. I gotta go find something a little harder. That's like the biggest thing with a coping I can work on. Okay, that's kind of sad. Wow, that's way easier than I thought it would be. I don't really know what to do now. I'm gonna do another line on the volcano looking thingy. I'm gonna pop up, land manual, hop down. The little rollers right after it, they're very small. I'm gonna foot plant 180, come back, put my front tire on the volcano, kind of like a feeble, and then just fakie ride out. This one I've done before, but it's just really complicated and there's too much for my brain to compensate. So I'm just gonna give it my best shot and probably end up doing it in the 3 tries like it's been today. So give it a shot. All right, I need some speed to get on top of this volcano. We'll roll in, pedal. Whoo! Foot plant. All right, hop up. Oh, so we just did it first try. Right. Ah! I feel like that tire tap, or the manual tire tap 180 can be cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. Nice and slow. Woohoo! I landed on it. Oh, like that. That was beautiful. I'm gonna foot plant this. Beautiful. And then my favorite line, the tabletop just feels so nice. I'm tired, so I think my best bet is to try to just do a really fast lap around the whole skate park and see how well it works out. It's wet, I'm scared. Be cased. There's a tiny spine right there. I'm gonna try to 180 this little vert right here. I lied. I need way more speed than I thought I did. Whew, that was nice. I think I can call my name. He's gonna rob me. I don't really care. I've been at the park for about 30 minutes now. I'm already exhausted. I mean, it's kind of bull crap. I'm gonna go session the bowl a little bit because it's sketchy and I like sketchy. I'm gonna go work, not really work, I'm gonna go attempt to disaster the coping on the bowl, which it's really tall. It's taller than me. So it's gonna be fun. You're probably gonna watch me eat shit. That's all right. I need to stop stuttering, for real. These are the bowl conditions. Oh, you can't even see, like, there's no way my GoPro's right. These are the bowl conditions. They have definitely been better, but right here, it's kind of fun. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw some stunts up on that. I wanted the 180, but I'm just too steezy for 180s. I'm just too goated, you know? 180s are just like such a beginner trick that I just don't want to do them, you know? There we go. There we go. That was a lot better than before. It just felt right. I'm gonna go for a tire grab. $360. My tires are really wet. I'm gonna go ahead and try this anyways. I'm a disaster at coping right here. I'm gonna go nice and slow. Oh, my shin. Oh, my shin. Oh yeah, second try. Beautiful, holy. I want to do that again. It's so much fun. I want to see if I can make the lines easier. Nice and slow. Oh my God. Whew. Pedals are in the wrong spot. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So that's kind of the whole reason I came to the bowl. I don't know what else to ride today. That might be the end of the video. Might not be. I can't say that. Come on, I can't say that. All right, I'm gonna try one more thing in this video. I'm gonna manual out of the bowl and just try to get to that coping over there. It's not gonna happen, but I just wanna give it my best A effort. You know what? I'll take it. Nowhere near where I wanted to go, but I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Probably not. I gotta really fix my GoPro angles and bring a tripod, and then videos will be smooth sailing again. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you guys in the next one, and peace out.